In this video, we'll walk you through the process of converting JPG images to PDF files effortlessly. Whether you need to create a digital portfolio, compile multiple images into a single document, or simply preserve the quality and formatting of your images, converting JPG to PDF is a great decision. It's really easy to convert your JPG files into a PDF format, and the process is the same for both iOS and Android devices, and you can also follow my steps if you are on Windows or Mac. You just need an internet connection and a couple of minutes of your time. And before we start with this tutorial, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe for more videos like this in the future. It would really help out the channel. So the first thing that we will do is to open any web browser on our device. You can use Chrome, Mozilla, or whatever. I'm on my iPhone, so I'll open the Safari browser, and the next step is to type Cloud Convert in the search bar. Now we need to open the website that's called cloudconvert.com. This is a great and free website that we will use to convert our files. We need to click here and select the format which we want to convert. So in our case it's JPG. And then select the format in which you want to convert your file. Select PDF. The next step is to upload our file by clicking on this button right here. If you are on your phone, just select from my computer in order to open your photo gallery. Select the photo or file, and then click on the Convert button right here. Then wait a couple of seconds until the app does its thing. And here is our file. You can see that it has a PDF extension, which means that we've successfully converted our file into a PDF format. You can download the file to your phone or computer by clicking here, and I'll leave the website link in the description of this video so you can open it from there. And that's it for this video. If this video was helpful and you were able to convert your files, then leave a comment down below and consider subscribing to this channel. It would really help me out. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.